Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. Well, it's Christmas time, so I thought I'd do a good thing and make up a Christmassy pasta dish. 30 minutes, so simple, and it's made with multicolored pasta, so you got all your colors and your Christmas shining through, and it's so simple, so easy, and best of all, it's so good. So let me show you how to do this.
So first off, guys, we're gonna salt up some boiling water so it's just like the ocean.
Okay guys, so I'm going to use this multicolored catelli here, just simply because it's Christmas time and you got your green, you got kind of your yellowish, and I don't know, this can be like red, so it looks Christmassy. So we're going in with about, I'd say 2 cups of this, and we're just going to leave this boil away just until it's al dente, so about 10 minutes.
Next up, add a tablespoon or 2 of olive oil to a pan over medium-high heat. Throw in about 3 good-sized Italian sausages. Now I'm using Italian here, but you can use honey garlic, even hot Italian if you like. Then we are going to stir and fry these up until they're cooked through and just on the brown side. After they're cooked, just go ahead and set these aside on a plate. Now in the same pan, in with an lb or a pound of medium ground beef. And we'll just kind of break this up a little bit. Still gotta get me one of those breaker-upper thingy-dingies. I know a potato masher will do, but I want to be all fancy like.
Now I'm using ground beef here, guys. I suppose you could have used ground pork too, but I like ground beef, and I'm using mild Italian sausages, and you could have used hot, you could use honey garlic too, but this is just kind of my preference. It's gonna be good though.
Okay, well the beef is frying, our pasta is done, so I'm just gonna go ahead and drain this. I wonder what Dwight Yoakam's up to today. Now alongside our beef, we're gonna add in a small chopped onion, 3 cloves of chopped garlic. Who uses garlic more than me? Maybe you can answer that in the comment section below. A small red bell pepper. Of course, stir and saute this until the wonderful smell of onion and garlic fill the air. And you know what? I got to thinking, to make it real Christmassy, you could use red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and even yellow bell pepper. Wouldn't that be a nice combo of colors along with the pasta? And I mean, the great thing is it doesn't even have to be Christmas to do this. Alrighty then, now in with a jar of marinara sauce. You could use spaghetti sauce too, or even tomato sauce for that matter. And a little trick I usually do is put some water in the jar and swizzle it around, and it just clears the jar out. Okay, we'll season things up with about a teaspoon of salt, a couple of teaspoons of the old ground black pepper. Now you can use less if you wish. And you might have guessed it, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. Back in with that sausage that's been waiting there on the sidelines. Of course, give everything a swirl and twirl around until that sausage is completely coated with that sauce.
And again, guys, this is just the seasoning I use, like kind of the KISS system, keep it simple, stupid. But you can add whatever you like, just whatever you like, your little heart desires, but just some salt, pepper, Italian seasoning. It does the trick for me.
Now go ahead and throw that pasta in. A cup of cheddar and a cup of mozzarella. Of course, we're going to give everything a good stir and toss together.
And this is looking oh so good, guys. Really Christmassy with all those colors and stuff. Now, something else you could do is you could put this in a casserole dish, put it, put more cheese over the top and put it in the oven. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to eat it as is. Just keep it, quick, simple, and easy. But it smells absolutely delicious. I think you're going to love it.
And just check this out, my friends. Doesn't it look incredible? Because it is our multicolored or Christmas pasta. Of course, we're going to go ahead and throw this onto a plate, and I wonder what a guy or gal would serve this up with. Maybe a garden salad? I don't know, you can let me know in the comments section. Yeah, I'm thinking a salad might just do it. I don't know. And for the final touches, of course, we have to throw some Parmigiano over the top just to complete things. And there she be, guys, our quick and easy Christmas pasta at its very best.
Okay, guys, let's grab some of this up here and see what we can get. Maybe some sausage and the rest of the trimmings here. And doesn't this look so good, guys? You got your sausage and your pasta and, your bell peppers. And, this is going to be good. Okay, let's give her a taste test, guys. How can you imagine something made in 30 minutes, one pan, can be so good? I mean, that pasta is done perfectly. The sausage, the ground beef, the seasoning, everything is just so good, and it looks Christmassy. You're gonna love it. If you do try it, leave us a comment, give us a like, and most of all, subscribe. And guys, guaranteed, you're gonna love this. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. And of course, I'm going to have more pasta. And see you next time. Okay.